Díomh feisty is dóigh liom go bhfuil gach duine chur go leor ag an am seo. Inniu tá muid ag deanú J na litreacha E roigní and tús ceart. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to put the correct word, the correct piece before the E in each of our different pictures. Okay, so you're going to draw the pictures into your copy and then you're going to put the correct word in underneath. Okay, so at the top we have aid, glass, gan, shop, spake, gad, cart, agus stock. So tattoo scríb an focal ceart rih an E bon gach fictor. So an céad fictor sin stocky. Very stocky. So cén focal an seo a chur muid isteach rih an E. So stock E. Okay. An dara fictor sin shop E. An tríú fictor sin ganzi. Curry fictor gadi. Gad E. An fictor seo sin speckly. Fictor seo glassry. Glassry. An fictor seo aid E. AD. Agus an fictor dearach seo cart E. Cart E.